Because before we talk about edits, enhancements, and synthetic upgrades, we have to ask, what exactly is encoded in your DNA that's so valuable, people want to rewrite it? This takes us into the science and the soul of the human blueprint. Let's start with chemistry. DNA is made up of 4 primary elements: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. These elements repeat throughout every strand of your genetic code, defining your physical body, your inherited traits, and your biological rhythm. But when you map the atomic values of these elements, something extraordinary happens. Carbon, C, 6 atoms. Hydrogen, H, 1 atom. Nitrogen, N, 7 atoms. Oxygen, O, 8 atoms. When these values are arranged in the structure of DNA, many researchers in the field of gematria, the ancient study of numerical codes in language, have discovered a recurring value: 156. And in multiple ancient scripts, Hebrew, Aramaic, Arabic, and Sanskrit, the numerical value of 156 translates to a single sacred phrase: God eternal within the body. Pause and let that land. Your DNA is not just a random sequence of proteins. It is a code, and it carries a signature, not of your parents, not of your ancestry, but of something higher. It's a signature that replicates, that heals, that responds to light, to thought, to prayer. It's programmable not just by scientists, but by intention, frequency, and memory. Now let's ask the deeper question. Why would someone want to alter that? Because the moment you begin to tamper with the original divine encryption, you begin to replace it. You move from a living record of God to a manufactured product of man, from the sacred to the synthetic. And here's where it gets more urgent. DNA editing tools like CRISPR, synthetic chromosomes, and triple helix strands are already being used to overwrite human code. They say it's for healing, but healing doesn't require deletion of divine design. It requires reconnection to it. The danger isn't just the loss of physical traits, it's the loss of spiritual continuity. If your DNA holds the frequency of divine memory, and you allow that to be altered, you may lose access to the very memory of who you are. Because DNA is not just a structure, it's a language. And once that language is rewritten, it speaks a different truth. Let's go deeper. Ancient traditions speak of God's name being written on the heart, on the forehead, in the bones. But maybe the most indelible signature is in the cells, in a form that no empire, no book burning, no language barrier could erase. Your DNA may be the one place on Earth where the Creator left his name unaltered. Until now. Because synthetic biology doesn't just remove disease,